not sure how long this will be empty and my gate is not here. And I cannot breathe because of how I am sitting, but it's fine for now. My legs were dry. My legs were dry a while ago, but not anymore. Not anymore. And also my hands smells like, wait, I'm not sure how this smell is called, but it smells like a perfume that your grandmother would wear. So my legs now smells like a perfume that your grandmother will wear. A while ago, while I was in the taxi, excuse me for a moment, I will get the specimen.
Matkustaja Piipponen Gabriel, sinun pyydetään ottamaan yhteyttä turvatarkastukseen. Piipponen Gabriel.
Okay, it's over. I thought I forgot my passport. I cannot really talk very freely here because there's one single human being over there. So, and I'm a bit shy. I thought I forgot my passport because I have a brown bag and it blended so well with the color of the lining inside. I thought I forgot it. Like, I'm looking because I was sure that I put it inside, and then I'm like, should I? For a moment there, I thought I needed to go back to the house. And this morning was not the most smooth morning at all. So there's some crisis that happened. But yeah, it's fine now since because look at this color. Why do passports? Why is it a requirement that passports must have like this color? Because look at this. It's not very clear to you, but it looks, the color resembles dried blood on the lips of a battered wife or some battered child. It looks like that. Like sort of. Sort of. Why does it have to be the color of a bruise? Like I have a squared bruise on my back. I cannot really do it with all my soul because there are human beings. I'm shy. But like, look at this. Like, imagine having a bruise this size and this shape, and it's like it looks like a mark of an iron something. Like, imagine a bruise in this area near the collarbone, this big, because this is the perfect color of a bruise. And I've also seen the blue ones. I think in Finland it's the dark blue ones. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that was the US. Yeah. I think Finland also has the same. Is there like an agreement that passports have to be this color? Because it looks like it hurts. It looks like, here's my nationality. And it hurts. Like, probably just confessing here, but no, I actually have learned to love my Philippine passport. Yes, it took me a while, but I got there. I now love this with my heart. Yeah, with my heart. Yes. But yeah, why do they have to be this? Like, why can't they be yelling yellow? Or, ooh, orange, or something? Then it's easier to find. You will not panic. You, like, from a mile, you can see, oh, that's my passport. Over there, that's my passport. You don't have to worry. Like every nationality, like for us, see, since they are going with this kind of red, why don't they just go to the rebellious red? The kind of red that scrunches or grasps your cornea. Why if you know, please enlighten me. Or with some kind of paintings from the famous artist, that will also be nice, of a country. For example, imagine if the Dutch passports looks like the painting of Rembrandt. On the front, the painting of Rembrandt, and on the back, the painting of Van Gogh or Vermeer, maybe. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And for us, we also have some famous artists. An artist that made something that caused a revolution, like put here Spolarium, like the painting of the Spolarium. That would be so much fun. And for example, the Finland, why not put some moments in here? Because since that's their trademark, moments. And America, well, what should America have? I'm having some intrusive thoughts, but I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, but I bet they can put some fun things in there also. Or their national flower, maybe. Is it a thing? Is it a thing with other nationalities? Do they also have national flowers, national leaves, national bird, national hero, national anything? Because we have this, we have national almost everything. I don't know why though. But if I were to think of a reason why someone could have a national something, it could be because this particular plant, for example, resembles some significant values of a nation. Probably that's why we have this, a lot of this, like birds, national bird, national leaf, national, I don't think we have a national food. But yeah, I feel like the time is right for me to say goodbye. But for now, of course, see you
Okay.